fellow cryptocurrency miners with Web3 blockchain technology. Greetings to you all according to your time. In this video, I want to show you how you can read candlesticks. So if you are a crypto trader or forex trader and you don't know how to read candlestick, there is no way you can be able to be a profitable trader if you don't know how to read candlesticks. By watching this video, I want to help you to know how you can read your candlesticks. I want to show you top 7 candlesticks that you're supposed to know how they move in the trading market before you can become a profitable trader. And also, I want you to know the meaning of candlesticks. Candlesticks are just a simple way of looking at the historical price of an asset, right? So by watching my videos, I'll be giving us top 7 candlesticks on how they move in the trading market. So I'll be dropping these videos back to back. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel or follow my social handles, guys, follow Crypto Guru. So let's start with these candlesticks, right? So let's go. Make sure you subscribe and like this video before we move to the next stage. Let's go. So guys, each candlestick represents the price movement of the assets for a particular period of time. So if you are on a daily chart, a single candle represents the price action for a full day. I mean that if you are on a daily chart like this, the price you're seeing right here represents the asset action for a single day for each candlestick you are seeing right here. So we are on a daily chart right now. And in this chart, we see two type of candle, the green candle and the red candle. So the green candle will show when the closing price is higher than the opening price, and the red candle will show when the the closing price is lower than the opening price, right? So this is when the green candle will show and the red candle. So whenever you see a green candle, means that the closing price is higher than the opening price, and whenever you see the red candle, mean that the closing price is lower than the opening price. And in the green candle, this indicates that whenever the sellers are stronger than the buyers, the red candle will show and they will take the price down. Now, the reason why most traders use candlesticks is because it gives us a better understanding for the price movement. A candlestick consists a two path: the wicks or shadow, and the body. The end of the upper wick show us the highest price achieved during that time. Similarly, the lower wick show us the lowest price achieved during that period of time. When it comes to the body of the candlesticks, things start to be different. For green candles, the upper of the body is the closing price, while the lower of the body is the opening price. But if you go to the red candles, the upper of the body is the opening price, and the lower of the body is the closing price. So that is the difference. So before we move to candlestick patterns, we need to understand these two different things: a big candlesticks versus the small candlesticks. A body of the candlestick can show us the strength or the weakness of the buyers and the sellers. So if the candlestick is big and long, you know that if the red candlestick is big and long, then you know that the sellers are really pushing this price down, which means the sellers have strength more than the buyers. And whenever you see these green candles and it's big, it's also going up, you know that the price, the buyers stepped in and they pushed this price up, which means the buyers have strength more than the sellers. So let's check this simple analysis, right? So if you check on this candlestick right here, so let me move back and show you this candlestick, right? So if you check this candlestick right here, this green candlestick, you know that the buyer stepped in and they took the price up, and see the closing price right here, which means during these candlesticks the buyer stepped in and they moved this price up without any challenge from the sellers, right? So these are the two different between the small candlestick and the big candlestick, right? So I just showed you the big candlestick, so let me also show you the small candlestick, right? So so if you check this small candlestick, you will know that the buyers took place from this place, and they will be able to push the price up, but the sellers pressure this market and the price come here and close right here instead of up right here, right? So these are the difference of the big candlestick and the small candlestick. So whenever you see this candlestick close right here, you know that the pressure is from the sellers, right? And the buyers are in the market, all right? The buyers manipulate the market, but the sellers are trying to take this market from the buyers, all right? Many people are trying to sell, and if you check very well, you see that from this candlestick right here, you see that the price came down right here, right? So whenever you see big candlesticks like this, is whether the buyers or the sellers were in control, right? And if you see any candlestick close like this with a long wick, you know that the whether the sellers or the buyers are almost the same average of pushing up the market price. So the second concept is about the long wick, right? So whenever you see long wick like this, it give us a clue about a price action, all right? It give us the clue about the price action. So whenever you see this big long wedge above the markets, you know that the sellers are taking the markets down right from here. And if you check right here, you can see the market is already coming down, right? I'm just showing you the live trade from Binance. And guys, I'm advising you to trade not to trade without using support and resistance line, and also indicators, right? So if you don't have a strategy, know how to read candlesticks before you fall into the market. So for the price to move up from right here, the buyers will need a lot of effort before this price will move up, guys. Similarly, if you saw the large wick below the price action, right? So whenever you see the large wick below this market, you know that the price is about to move up, right? This is indicator is indicating you that the market is about to change, all right? If the market is taking the upper direction. So guys, whenever you see this wick, you know that the market is the price is about changing. So if you check very well from right here, and the market move up, so it shows us that the buyers are strongly buying at this level, and the price is already going up, right? The price move up from here to here. So whatever I'm giving you right here, keep them in mind whenever you're doing your analysis, right? Keep them in mind. But if you know that you are enjoying this video, kindly like and subscribe, or follow for more as we move to the next step. Basic patterns. Pattern number one: bullish pin bar. Pattern number one: bullish pin bar. Bullish pin bar is a strong reversal candlestick pattern. It indicates a potential reversal to the upside. A bullish pin bar consists of three elements: a small green body, a large wick of the lower below the body, a tiny or a low O without a wick upper the body. Let's understand the psychology about this pattern. A bullish pin bar indicates that the sellers will be able to take the price down to this wick right here, but the buyers will be able to take this market and they push the price from this below to this up right here. So from there it indicates that the market price is about to change. Whenever you see this bullish pin bar below, you know that the price action is about changing. So if you think about it, the buyers cover more distance than the sellers, which means they have taken the market, and right now the market is about moving up. And if you check very well, you see that the market moved from this place to up right here, and the market went up. So whenever pin bar appear after a downtrend, you know that the sellers has lost their strength and the buyers have taken it, and the price is about to move up. So this is the way of understanding how the bullish pin bar works. So to trade bullish pin bar, we must look at the other coin flanks to confirm our buyers. So if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you follow for more, because I'll be talking about how to trade this pin bar, bullish pin bar, in the next video, and I'll be talking about the remaining 6 candlesticks on how you can use them. Alright, and I'll also be giving you guys new patterns on how you can trade in the crypto or forex market trading. This is the first episode. Make sure you subscribe and follow for more. Turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop the next video on how you can trade bullish pin bar, you will know how to set your trading as well.